Hello, my name is Mark Isherwood, Welsh Conservative Assembly Member for North Wales. Amongst other things, I in the Assembly chair a cross-party group on fuel poverty, which is about working to better the situation for people and households who can't afford to heat and eat, who are living in unfit property, where one of the priorities is introducing energy efficiency into their homes, making fuel affordable, making their houses and homes affordable to heat. And it ties in wonderfully with the theme of Earth Hour, recognising that we do live in a world of finite resources, that fossil fuels are increasingly expensive because of increasing global demand for them, and that we can no longer rely on a ceaseless supply of cheap, affordable energy unless we do something about that together. So let us together support Earth Hour on the 23rd of March and look towards a sustainable future, not only for ourselves, but for our children and for the future generations of our species.